Problem number 1 on superposition theorem. Question is to find current flowing through 6 ohm resistance. And the circuit given is, first this is little simple level problem, then we'll go for we'll increase the difficulty level. This is 15 volts, 10 volts, 2 times I, 4 ohms and 6 ohms. We need to find the current flowing through 6 ohms. This is 2I, and for this I is given in this part, in this branch. So there are two dependent sources, two independent sources and one dependent source, right? So first we'll consider 15 volt voltage source. So when we are considering this voltage source, what will happen to 10 volt voltage source? 10 volt voltage source will be open circuited, since it is a voltage. This will be short circuited, since it is a voltage source. It is written voltage source is short circuited, so we will short circuit the voltage source. So the diagram will look like this: 15 volts, 6 ohms, you have 2 times I, and this voltage source is short circuited. This is 15 I, 6 ohms, this is 2 times I, 4 ohms, and this is 10 volts shorted. So let us say this is I dash, and now in this case we need to find total I as I dash plus I double dash. So first we will find I dash, that will be because of the 15 volt. So for that I am assuming I1 to be flowing in this, I to be flowing in this. So KVL to mesh 1 will give me 15. Can we apply KVL to mesh 1? No. So this part we cannot go for, because there is a dependent current source, so this will form a super mesh. So one equation will be directly given by the current source. So I can say from figure 2 times I dash is I2 minus I1, right? So from this then applying KVL to the super mesh, KVL to super mesh. So it will give me 15 minus 6 I1 minus 4 I2 equals to 0. Right, now what is I dash? I dash is nothing but I1. So I can say I dash is equal to I1 from figure. So if I substitute, say this is equation 1, 2 and 3. If I substitute 2 in 1, then I get I1 as I2 by 3. So this relation I got when I substitute I dash is equal to I1 in this equation. So I will call this as equation 4. Now if I substitute 4 in 3, then I can find I2, that is 15 minus 6 I2 by 3 minus 4 I2 is equal to 0. So this will give me the value of I2 as 2.5 ampere. So once I know the value of I2, I can find I1, which is I2 by 3. So I will get I1 as, the value of I1 will be 0.833 amperes. So I have got I1, and I1 is nothing but I dash. So I can say I dash is equal to I1 is equal to 0.833 ampere. So this is when 15 volt is acting alone. Now when I will consider when 10 volt is acting alone. Now considering 10 volt voltage source acting alone. So in that case 15 volt voltage source will be short circuited. So drawing the diagram, volt will be shorted, and now we have 10 volt voltage source acting alone. So this is 10 volt, this is 4 ohms, this is 6 ohms. Now I will consider this as I double dash. So this will become 2 times I double dash. Again I am assuming I1 and I2. So again from figure we can say I1 is equal to I double dash, and 2 times I double dash is equal to I2 minus I1. Again a super mesh. So if I substitute 1 in 2 as in the previous case, I will substitute I double dash as I1. So I will get I1 as I2 by 3. All it as equation number 3. Now I apply KVL to super mesh. So that will give me minus 6 I1 minus 4 I2 plus 10 is equal to 0. And now I am calling this as equation 4. What I will do, I will substitute 3 in 4. So I will have minus 6 I2 by 3 minus 4 I2 plus 10 is equal to 0. So on solving, I will get I2 as 10 by 6 or 5 by 3 ampere. So once I know I2, I can find I1 double dash, or I double dash is I1, which is I2 by 3. So this will be 0.55 ampere. So I have got I double dash and I dash. So I double dash is 0.55 ampere. The direction for I dash and I double dash is same. Both are flowing in the left to right. So by superposition principle or by superposition theorem, I can say I is addition of I dash and I double dash. So that will be 0.833 plus 0.55. So this will come to 1.388 ampere, and the direction of current is like this. So we have found the current flowing through, and this I is nothing but the current flowing through 6 ohm resistor. Thank you for watching.